In this video, we're going to save the new theme we have created. In the Slide Master tab, select Save Current Theme at the bottom of the Theme dropdown. I don't recommend saving in the default folder unless you have memorized its location. I haven't, so I'm going to create a new folder for my themes. I'm placing it in the Documents folder because I know I'll be able to find it there. Now once I've named and saved my theme, I'm going to test it. Even though I created it, please note it does not show up under Themes in Design. Instead, I have to browse for themes. Then I just navigate to where I saved it, and there it is. Well, that's how to save a new theme. And that wraps up our videos on creating themes in PowerPoint. I hope you learned something useful. Be sure to like the video if you did, leave a comment if you have more tips or questions of your own, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, guys, catch you on planning.